to get glowing.
Patient Experience Award. My favorite station. Real flavor, only from Eckrich.
It's Eckrich season, and here's another reason.
When I heard about the hospital, people were really scared. BP is not perfect, but they kept this community.
We toss it in our Thai chili vinaigrette and finish it with the peanut sauce. It's like heading out for lunch without the passport.
Try the new Thai chopped chicken salad today at Panera Bread. And don't forget Panera Catering for all your catering needs.
Hundreds of the newest and most popular slots have landed savings.
On the Susan G. Komen Chicago 3-Day for the Cure, August 5th to the 7th, and receive $25 off your registration fee. Visit www.the3day.org or call 877-3-DAY. That's 8 Radio Line, and we'll keep you updated, and we'll have a little fun this afternoon, too.
Hello, world. How you been? Good.
Have a game.